Good afternoon, teacher. The topic to be discussed is evolutionary theory is a branch of physiology whose objective is the study the development of human being and towards their life cycle. The main things in the undergrounds the multiple charts that manifest the mean be a word of the beginning for bridge to the graph. The main theories are visit of the names of the instinct, fruit, contribution, personality in the order, the idea of drive part, superego of crystal part, sensory or moral, and finality the self, like irrational. Melanie claimed children development did exists for from birth and the development that occurs from the game.